Welcome back to MTR YouTube channel. In this video I explained the characteristics of light. I already gave the new characteristics of light in previous video. Now I explain first characteristics of light. Velocity of moving object, path of the object and shape of the path, everything is same for all the observer at rest in same frame of reference. We consider a aeroplane is moving with the velocity of 350 km per hour. One of the object M is placed inside of the plane. Observer 1, 1 dash, 1 double dash, like this. Large number of observers are placed in the plane and moving with velocity of 350 km per hour. This plane is completely closed system. Therefore, the observer does not realize the movement of the plane. This aeroplane is behave as a frame of reference. All the observers are present at rest in the plane. Each and every observer observe that the velocity of object M is at rest. According to first characteristics of light, velocity of the object M is same for all the observer present at the same frame of reference. We consider some other observers are placed on the earth like O2, O2 dash, O2 double dash. They are note down the velocity of flight. Everyone measure the velocity of flight is same as 350 km per hour. These two examples are explain the first characteristics of light. Second characteristics of light. Consider a train is moving with the velocity of 100 km per hour along the x-axis direction. One observer is moving on the train. He has one of the object is falling from 5-meter height from the surface of Earth. The path of the object is vertically fall down. Easily calculate the average velocity of this object is 5 meter per second. According to the point of view of observer 1, the object is moving vertically fall down. For our convenience, we consider the object is moving with a uniform velocity. Case 2. We consider similar experimental arrangement also there. Another observer is standing on the earth at rest. According to point of view of the second observer, the object is moving along the slanting direction, that is P1 to P2. According to the point of view of the second observer, the velocity of object must be greater than point of view of the first observer. Path of the object, distance traveled by the object, velocity of the object is everything is different for both observer, because both observers are placed in the different frame of reference. First observer is experienced that the distance traveled by the object is only 5 meter per second. But second observer is experienced different speed of the object. This speed is easily calculated by using Pythagoras theorem and law of vector addition. The calculated speed of the object by the second observer is 28.4 meter per second. It is different from first observer. Path of the object experienced by the first observer is vertically fall down, but second observer is slanting direction. Case 3. The observer is now placed in the solar system. He is rest respect with the sun. Now the sun is working as a third frames of reference. We know that Earth is moving around the sun with the velocity of 29.8 km per second. Now the observer 3 is observe the velocity of the object falling from train is nearly 30 km per second. It must be greater than observed by the another two observer. Case 4. Now the observer is placed in our Milky Way galaxy. He calculates the velocity of the object M is very much greater than all other observer. Because our solar system is moving around the Milky Way galaxy with 230 km per second. Therefore, the resultant velocity of the object according to the fourth observer 232 km per second. From these four Ks, the velocity of the object, path of the object and shape of the path, everything is different from each other because all the observers are placed in the different frame of reference. Third characteristics of light. Time interval between the two incidents is constant for all the frame of reference and observers. When observer is present at a train, earth, galaxy, whatever may be, the time period is constant. I will give separate video for time is constant.